Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run and throw the ball in cricket. First, when running between wickets, always communicate clearly with your batting partner. A strong yes or no call is crucial. Focus on running in a straight line, covering the 22 yards quickly. Ground your bat firmly beyond the popping crease to complete each run safely. Good communication and efficient running can add many valuable runs to your team's total. To elevate your running game, learn to read the field placement instantly. Identify gaps for quick singles and doubles. Anticipate the fielder's throw to decide on a second or third run, pushing for every possible advantage. Practice quick turns at the crease, saving precious fractions of a second. Effective communication, like a clear wait or go, is vital for seamless partnerships and maximizing scoring opportunities. Now, let's master throwing the ball. Grip the ball with your index and middle fingers across the seam for optimal control. Establish a strong, stable base, pointing your non-throwing shoulder towards your target. Generate power from your legs and core, transferring it smoothly through your arm. A full follow-through towards your target ensures both accuracy and maximum velocity, making your throws impactful and precise. For superior throwing, aim precisely for the top of the stumps or directly into the wicketkeeper's gloves. Practice throwing from various distances and angles across the field to build versatility. Develop a quick release to surprise batsmen and prevent them from taking extra runs. Focus on a smooth, fluid motion, ensuring both speed and precision. Consistent practice will significantly enhance your ability to hit the target every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.